Hi, kitchen friends! If you love a simple way of cooking and food are still packed with flavors, then this channel is for you. Easy, peasy, and yummy. Welcome to Jules Flavor Bliss. Hi, kitchen friends! Welcome again to another fun, exciting, and yummy kitchen adventure. And in today's episode, I'll be sharing with you how to make fish and chips at home. Come on, let's go to London and visit the Queen. And who's not crazy about fish and chips? It is so delicious, tummy filling, and very comforting too. But today, with this recipe, we don't need to go in London just to have fish and chips. It's not only the fresh fish fillet that makes it so yummy, but the secret is in the butter. And today, I'm going to reveal the secret recipe of that butter. Come on, please join me in my kitchen. The first step is combine flour, salt, and dry yeast in a bowl. And that touch of yeast is our first secret. A dash of pepper. I want it to be more flavorful, that's why I'm using pepper blends, which is composed of white, green, black, and red peppercorns. Then we mix them well. We'll crack 2 whole eggs. Make it sure that eggs are in room temperature. This is our second secret, beer. I sprinkle half teaspoon of sugar just to round off the taste. And this is our beer butter. So smooth and silky. For a lighter and crispier fish fillet, the secret is let it rest for 3 hours or overnight. And the butter will develop an amazing flavor. When preparing the fish, we simply tap down any excess water, letting it dry on the surface. And And this is our beer butter. This will make our fish lighter, crispier, and with an amazing flavor. And the secret is letting it rest for at least 3 hours or overnight. That will give an amazing flavor to our butter. Let's prepare our seasoned flour. By this process, the butter will stick fully to the fish. Now, we'll heat our pan with a high level heat. Now, we will fully dip our fish fillet to our beer butter. Then straight to the pan. 6 minutes, 3 in each side. Now let's try frying some fish chips. Come on, let's try one. This is so crunchy. golden brown and really crunchy. Okay. Can you hear that? So yummy. We don't need to go to London to have this lighter, crunchier, and crispier fish and chips. You can have it any time of the day, right in your own home. Let's take another look. What's inside our fish and chips? Look at that. It's just a thin shell, crispy, crunchy, and even lighter. And the fish is succulent, so tasty. And you know, in Britain, every 2nd of June, they celebrate it as the National Fish and Chips Day. I hope you enjoyed our fish and chips adventure. For more recipes like this, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like and share button as well. Till next Wednesday for another kitchen adventure here in Jules Flavor Bliss. Stay safe and stay well. God bless. Bye.